people in the world have one of these, and only one of them is Irish.
The Irishman, this Saturday at 11:30 p.m. on RBS 1 and Sunday at 8 p.m. on 3. Catch it on RBS Catch.
This is RBS 1 from Manila. We have some important transmitter information. Tonight, we'll be shutting off our analog transmission throughout Metro Manila and parts of Central and Southern Luzon. This means that viewers on the area will be losing RBS 1 on analog permanently, as digital switchover will be almost complete at the Panay Avenue transmitter tonight. Cable and satellite users, including subscribers to National Cable, Sky Cable, Signal, and other affiliate partners, are not affected. For questions and comments, you may contact our DTV hotlines 02-8463-2411, 02-7598-2411, and 02-8121-2411. Our lines are open 24 hours a day. As we embrace the future of broadcasting technology, it's essential to reflect on the rich history of analog television in the Philippines. Analog signals have been the backbone of our television experience for decades, bringing entertainment, news, and culture into the homes of countless viewers. We've witnessed the evolution of content, the rise of iconic shows, and the shared moments that have become a part of our collective memories. While we say goodbye to the familiar hum of analog frequencies, we also welcome the era of digital television, which promises enhanced clarity, improved audio, and a broader range of channels. We extend our gratitude to all our viewers, old and new, who have been a part of our analog journey. Thank you for being a part of this legacy, and we look forward to bringing you even more exciting and high-quality programming in the digital age. From all of us here at the RBS Broadcast Plaza in Quezon City, this has been RBS. Maraming salamat sa maraming taon na ating pinagsamahan. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas.
Lupa ng